Hello and welcome to week 2 of Visual Basic. Oh boy, that's quite the glare. Let's see if I can. There we go. Okay, so in this particular case, this week you start to get more into the meat and potatoes of getting the interactions with the forms that you created last week. One of the things you'll note in this particular class so far is that it has a tendency to build on what's happened previously. So you have to make sure everything kind of works with what happens previously in order for it to follow through with what happens this week. I will tell you I won't have cascading failures, meaning that if you don't dot an I in the first week, I'm not going to notice it in the second week and then take off points for it. But if by virtue of not dotting that I the first week, and I'm using dotting I as an example, if you don't dot the I the first week and you can't accomplish the task the second week, that's important. And that's where you got to focus on to make sure that doesn't happen. There's also the section that gets into some of the discussions. And some of the discussion, there's two different parts of discussions. One part of the discussion involves comments, and there's another part of the discussion that involves something different. And I want to make sure that I will give a little intro to the discussion things, and I think that it's really important. You want to focus in on that. Additionally, don't forget to create the little video that walks through the things that you did. Once again, the reason I'm doing that is because sometimes I'll get turn-ins that don't exactly work, but work fine on your machine, but don't necessarily, you forget to turn in part of it, or there's some sort of issue with it. And what will happen on, I'm trying to get it more focused. Anyway, doesn't matter. So, and what will happen on my machine, it doesn't exactly work. So if you give me that video, I know that I can default to the video if there's something goes amiss with your program for whatever reason. So, welcome to the second week. I hope that you do very, very well this week, and I look forward to seeing what you submit. Thank you for your time. Oh, yeah, just don't forget those videos. Thank you.